Welcome back to the course. Now, we're going to be looking at Instagram stories and how we like to use Instagram stories in getting more engagement on our posts and content. So, obviously, like I've said before, the main thing that Instagram looks at is the engagement on a post, how popular it is, and in turn it then starts putting your page on the Explore page and start promoting your post, and that's what helps you go viral with all your content. So what we like to do, obviously we've got a following of 11,000 here with Our Blue Mess. Now, for each new post that we upload, we like to upload it to our story. So if you follow these steps, if you go to the post and click this little arrow here, the one that looks like a little paper airplane, it will say add post to your story. So click that, and then what happens, it takes you to the story kind of template page. Now, what an Instagram story is, if you don't know, it is a post that will go at the top of everyone's Instagram feed for 24 hours. They can click the circle that says Our Blue Mess, and it has your logo in, and it will then show them your story. Now, there's not a limit to how many stories you can upload, so it's a good way of uploading content without actually filling your Instagram feed. So, some people will upload 50 times a day in their story and only upload in their feed maybe once every week. It's a great way of just uploading and staying consistent on Instagram with a different type of content, a more real and sort of rugged, personal sort of type of content. So yeah, we share this, and what we like to do, there's lots of options. You can put text. So go check out our new post. Really simple. And you click the colors and you can play around with that. Whoop. There you go. And then you can click. So let's do this. So there's GIFs you can get. Let's type in arrow, see what comes up. That one might be okay. And pointing to the post. So that's gonna, give them a call to action when they read the story. It says go check out our new post, I should say. And then they're going to click through, and they will be able to go directly to the post and leave an engagement, leave a comment, or just like it. Another alternative, when you get past 10,000 followers, I'll upload that to the story to show you guys how that looks, and go back to that. Okay, cool. So now you'll see, if we go on the home page, the circles at the top of the page are stories. So, like I mentioned, it's a lot more personal, more rugged, more real. And, people upload stories throughout the day and they last for a certain amount of time. You can see these have got 5 hours remaining, so they were uploaded 19 hours ago. Our story now is live, so we can now click that post, and this is what our new followers will see. They'll see that they can go straight to our page and leave a comment, leave a like, save the video. And yes, I will show you what else we can do with this. So the same process, but instead, now this is only available if you've got over 10,000 followers, bear in mind. If we copy the link and go on this, we are able to give it a swipe up. So we post in the link there, and we tell them to swipe up. And what this will allow is, when you get past 10,000 followers, Instagram gives you a function and an ability to actually have a swipe up feature inside of your stories. So what the swipe up feature does is, it's exactly how it sounds. It allows the customer to swipe up, and they will be forwarded to a web link of your choice. So you could be driving them to your website, you could be driving them to a sales page, a landing page, a product page, or in my case, what we're doing with Our Blue Mess, we're linking them back to a post of ours. So it's just another way of driving more engagement for our content, and making sure that we are getting and maximizing all of our followers, and making sure we're getting in front of everyone we can to make sure we go viral and start growing our page. But okay, guys, thanks for that. That was a really short topic, But I felt like it was an important one. I wanted to explain to you guys, exactly what the stories do, what they're used for, and best sort of practices for them. But yeah, nice one, guys. See you in the next part of the course.